Hello everyone, I'm Mertat, and today we're going to create our own first test suite using Multimeter. So basically, test suites are like tests. If you remember, we created this test, which was, let me run it. Okay, I remember. 3-second delay, then calling an API, the echo API, and actually making sure that if we send hi, we'll get hi back. So let me remove this 3-second delay. And yeah, let's go for test suite and give it a title that actually can help, like echo test. Okay. So I create a new file, call it suite, and from the magic list, I choose it to be a test suite. So yeah, type suite. So I can come here, and you can see I have a couple of tabs here. So basically, what are the differences between suites and tests? In tests, you can, have different flows, also import other tests, call them, add delays, call JavaScript code, basically whatever feature that we have there. But in suites, you can just choose a couple of tests to run in two modes, even parallel or sequential. So that's it. Also, using suites, you can, at the start of the test, you can choose one muck server to be run. Or at the end of the test, you can choose to export some data from those tests that you're running. So here, let's see what error do we have. Okay, we need to have property tests. And that is the only required parameter. And the other difference is that we don't need to import anything. We just need to choose the file that we're going to run. And in this case, we're going to run test.mlt. So that's it. Now, if I come back here, you can see that I have echo test. And here I'll see the reports of echo test. So if I run it, you can see that echo test is passed. But I don't see any report. Why is that? If you remember, I told you that for the reports, we can have internal, external mode. But to have all the reports there as well, now the default is that here we have all the reports, but when it is used in other tests or in other suites, it is like the default value is just fades. So I would add report all to just get the report here as well. So you see that I'll get a report or report of what we send, what we get. Basically, this is the most important part, but I told you that you can also run the test elements parallelly. So what if I add another test here and run? So basically I got both reports back. So I'm running the test twice. Let's add some delay that actually can help us. Let's keep this one, but I want to add a delay of like 3 seconds. Okay, that is fine. So now if I run the test, you can see both of them are running at the same time and both get response back. So this is like the mode that you will run all the tests that you added like this simultaneously. But if you want them to be run one after each other, you just need to add a then step in between of them. So just then and nothing else. So you see that it is converted to two groups now, group 1, group 2. And if you run it, you can see the first group will run. After 3 seconds that it's done, the next group will start to, start it works. So told you that you can also have like servers running. You can add a server, just pass the server pass. Here we have server.mmt. So this server will run in the beginning. I need to format the document. This needs to be first. So yeah, servers, we have server.mmt, which will run in the beginning of this test, and in the end of this suite run, it will go off. Also, you can have export. You can add export behavior format document. So I'll have an export in report after this test is finished. So let's run it. Okay, this is the test. Let's go to the suite. And yeah, you see it will export reports.html. If I run it, okay, here it is. So it's created a report for me that I can see basically rebuilding Finder. And if I open it, yeah, here I have the report of this test. So basically that's it. Please take a look and yeah, have fun.